Okay, next I'm going to be showing the AI of the zombies and a very basic level. Right there you can see I've got the player selected, that's the orange character, and the green character will be the zombie. There's no real textures on them, the models are very basic at the moment. I've got new models ready to go. Well, they're not ready to go, but I've got some better models to put in, but they're not quite finished yet. So these are the placeholders. If I select the zombie there he is, you can see that we've got a view cone, kind of like a Metal Gear Solid style view cone, so anybody that goes in there he will detect, and he's got a proximity there. If you go anywhere within this sphere he will detect you, but at the moment there's no stealth, but there will be stealth facilitated later in the project. You'll be able to sneak up on him then and do whatever you like, bludgeon him to death if you like, double death. So right, we'll start on here, I'll press play and you'll be able to see how it all works. It's still very basic at the moment. I'll just center the camera there, so if you keep an eye up here you can see the view cone of the zombie, so I'll press play and here's me. We'll get rid of the one second, I'll get rid of that grid. Well, where is it? Right here. There we go, we'll get rid of the grid and we'll bring the zombie view cone back in. Right, so here's me with my torch, you can see lighting everything up in the environment. Got some dumpsters there, front of a shop. And I'll go around the back of him to begin with. And you can see my player at the top there is getting quite close to the sphere, and when we get within range he turns around and notices us, and then we run. He is hovering a little bit off the ground there, rather ghost-like, but that's just because the placeholder model isn't quite set up, because it's not really important at this stage. But as you're seeing, he's still chasing me. The speed is randomized, so every time you start, well, it's not dependent on starting, it's depending on each individual zombie. Each one will have a different speed rating. Eventually I'm planning on adding other stats for each individual zombie. There we go, he can't see me now. You can see that in the top viewport I'm outside of his cone. He's obviously just lost me outside of his peripheral vision, and I'm not in line of sight. So if I jump back in, there we go, he started chasing me. So I'll run around here as quick as I can, and hopefully he will stop. He'll go to my last known position, and there we go, he's stopped. So we'll run around the side of him, and there we go, sneak back up and he should turn around. So there's the current AI for the zombies. Hope you like it. Obviously there's a lot to be done, as always, very early on in the project. I think we're about 3 weeks in. Actually I think I completed the AI about 2 weeks in, so goodbye. I hope you liked it.